Flamingo Books. Social Studies with Case Studies Series 8.
Civics. Unit 3. Rule of Law and Social Justice. Chapter 2. Salient Features of Indian Constitution. Preamble. The preamble to the Indian Constitution is a concise introductory statement that outlines the document's philosophy and guiding principles. It declares India a sovereign socialist secular democratic republic, securing justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity for all citizens. Drawing inspiration from Jawaharlal Nehru's Objectives Resolution, the preamble reflects the aspirations of the nation's founders. It establishes the source of authority in the people of India, and sets forth the key objectives the Constitution seeks to achieve. Though not legally enforceable, it serves as a guiding light for interpreting the Constitution, and embodies the spirit and ideals of the nation. Salient feature of the Constitution. The Indian Constitution boasts several salient features. It's the longest written constitution globally, blending rigidity and flexibility in its amendment process. It establishes a federal system, with a unitary bias, ensuring a strong central government while accommodating state autonomy. India follows a parliamentary form of government, with a responsible executive. The Constitution guarantees fundamental rights and promotes socio-economic justice through directive principles. It also enshrines fundamental duties of citizens, and establishes an independent judiciary to uphold the Constitution's supremacy. The principles of secularism and universal adult suffrage are also integral. Importance of fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are the bedrock of individual liberty and human dignity in India. They are essential as they protect individuals from arbitrary state actions, ensuring a government of laws, not of men. Guarantee basic freedoms like speech, expression, and religion, fostering a democratic environment. Ensure equality before the law and prohibit discrimination, promoting social justice. Empower citizens to seek legal remedies if their rights are violated through the judiciary. Contribute to the all-round development, material, intellectual, moral, and spiritual, of individuals. These rights, though not absolute, are fundamental for a just and equitable society, forming the cornerstone of Indian democracy. Special feature of fundamental rights. Special features of fundamental rights include their justiciability, meaning citizens can directly approach the Supreme Court or High Courts for their enforcement if violated. While not absolute, they are fundamental to governance, overriding ordinary laws. Some rights are exclusively for citizens, while others extend to all persons. They are amendable by Parliament, but the basic structure of the Constitution cannot be altered. During emergencies, some rights can be suspended. They aim to establish a society based on equality, liberty, and justice, acting as a check against arbitrary state power. Fundamental duties. Fundamental duties, enshrined in Part EVA of the Constitution, outline the moral obligations of Indian citizens. Added later, they emphasize civic responsibility and contribute to national unity and integrity. These duties include respecting the Constitution, national flag, and national anthem, cherishing India's rich heritage, promoting harmony, safeguarding public property, and striving for excellence. Unlike fundamental rights, fundamental duties are not legally enforceable. However, they serve as a reminder of citizens' responsibilities towards society and the nation, fostering a sense of patriotism and encouraging active participation in nation-building. They provide a moral compass for citizens' conduct. Directive Principle of State of Policy. The Directive Principles of State Policy, DPSPs, enshrined in Part 4 of the Constitution, are guidelines for the government in formulating laws and policies. Though non-justiciable, meaning not enforceable by courts, they are considered fundamental in the governance of the country. DPSPs aim to create a welfare state by promoting social and economic justice, ensuring a decent standard of living, and securing opportunities for all. They encompass various aspects, including socialistic, Gandhian, and liberal intellectual principles, guiding the state towards achieving the ideals of the preamble. While not legally binding, they serve as a moral compass for governance.